Weather's looking a bit dodgy. Well, hello folks, it is now Wednesday as I'm recording this piece, and well, what a week it's been. The weather has been, as you know, not very favourable for getting out cycling at all. Yeah, I've not been out much at all really in the last 9 days, hardly done any cycling. Last weekend I was meant to be going out on a sportive, the York Leeds York. Unfortunately it didn't go ahead with me though. Just take a look at this. Well, hello everyone, hi there, how are we doing? Hope we've had a fantastic week. As you can see, I'm dressed in civilian clothing at the moment. But today did not quite turn out as I wanted it to. I'm okay, the bike's okay, the car wasn't. Had a dead battery, came at the wrong time because I was meant to be travelling to York to take part in Velo 29's York to Leeds York sportive. It was going to be a 100-mile bike ride. I'd already paid for my ticket as well, so I've said goodbye to that. So what I'm going to do today, I'm going to jump on my bike for a couple of hours at some point because it's quite windy at the moment, and there's a shower just behind me getting closer as we speak. Just a bit of a casual riding. So as you can imagine, I'm pretty gutted really. It's the first time I've meant to be going to a sportive and not been able to make it, and today it unfortunately was my Vauxhall Insignia dead battery. So yeah, forget about that, put that behind me. Enjoy the rest of this weekend, get out there riding. I'm actually just going to go inside for a couple of minutes because I want to tell you about my bike as well. This week I've also been spending money repairing the bike as well as the car, and I've got the front mech replaced. It's with a Shimano Ultegra. It's just like a newer model. So apart from that, I've also had the jockey wheels replaced. So hopefully the bike should feel brand new again. There you go, as you can see I was all ready to go, and car let me down. And that wasn't all what happened on Saturday. Unfortunately I couldn't go on my bike in the afternoon either because well, I could, but the chain was chattering on the front derailleur, which has just been fixed. So I took that back to the bike shop on Sunday. Not really a lot to say and show you this video, so it's coming nice and short and sweet, but I'm going to tell you a little bit about this weekend that's coming up, because on Saturday it's the Cambridge Pork Pie, which is a 200km audax, and it's meant to be quite windy still this coming weekend, so it's going to be quite a tough one. But before then, I actually have Friday off from work. I took the day off, and I'm hoping to get a ride in then as well. Maybe, just maybe, that will be a 200km DIY audax. I don't know yet. I want to make the most of my day off. The weather is supposed to be pretty windy as well, so and to be fair, Sunday is the best day of the weekend, so I might use that day for a 200km audax, and perhaps do something else. Perhaps a shorter ride on Friday, perhaps go swimming or something like that. Before I do disappear, I want to show you something I bought on Sunday from my local bike shop in Scunthorpe, which is Cycle Routes Links. Got this Cannondale waterproof jacket. It's quite a lightweight one. It's more for summery days. If I just show you up close, it's got these long, I don't know what these are called, but these fit over the top of your gloves so they stop them from getting a little bit wet. You just put your finger in there, keep it nice and tight. So I like that. That's really good. So it's quite snug fit really, and also it's got magnets on the arms. So I haven't practiced this, but basically the arms can come away from the rest of the jacket. You just have to do both at the same time, like that. So it's doubling up as a gilet. So I really like that because it's good for spring and summer. That's a really good fit as well. A pocket at the front for key or whatever you need to do. So I'm looking forward to wearing that. I've tried it out the other day actually, and yeah, it's alright. Kept me nice and dry. It was chucking down with rain. Also, on Sunday I did a bit of shopping. Ended up in Home Bargains in Immingham. I bought a few things. I didn't realise they had a whole section on sports foods and drinks and things like that, and really good value as well. So I don't know what it tastes like, but got a couple of these. The Protein 22, about 80 pence each, so got a couple of those. I also came away with some energy gels. I picked up a citrus flavour, an orange and a cola one, so I've got 6 of those, and they are all from Supplements Direct, so I don't know if they're any good, but there's about 50p. But they're quite large ones though, the 70g versions. And finally I also picked up some electro light tabs. And they're actually cheaper, believe it or not, than the ones Wiggle do, their own branded ones. These were about £1.89 versus Wiggle's about £2.40. And picked up a lime flavour, cherry, and finally I picked up an orange one as well. They're worth a shot. And they are all from Supplements Direct as well. So that's it for this video. If you like to get in touch, perhaps tell me whether you took part in the York Leeds York sportive last weekend. How did it go? I guess it was windy, I guess it was a bit rainy. And apart from that, there's a weekend coming up. If you've got any plans, if you'd like to share them, stick them in the comment area below. I'd like to read those. Well then, that's it from me. I will see you over in the next video. Please don't forget to give this one a thumbs up. That's it then, I'll see you in the next one.